chapter 2, page number 5. Who am I? One puzzle for you, and you have to cross out the name from this puzzle. Banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Here is the name monkey. On the walls, webs I weave, where insects stick and cannot cleave. Spider. Have you seen spider at your home or trees mimicking the waves, and some insects are stuck there, but they cannot come out from that spider. He has made the waves. Remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in the broad daylight. His name is Owl, and this owl is not sleeping at the night, but he is sleeping at the daylight. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or land I am found. You can see these animals at the summer season. It's living on the water also and land also. So its name is frog. I appear after rainfall. Have no feet, so I crawl. After rainfall, it gets over. You can see the snail. He is having 2 feet, but we cannot see, and he is crawl on the ground. वो ground पर चलती है मिट्टी में, and we can see on the ground. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. Okay, have you learned the story about tortoise and rabbit? And he lastly won the race. So here his name is there, tortoise. He is walking too much slowly. So here given the name slow and steady is my pace. I am always win when there is a race. Next page to you. It is very wonderful, and you can do with your fingerprints. You have to use your fingerprint. Okay, here one picture is there. Peacock. You can do your fingerprint like this. You have to put your finger on the ink, and you have to put finger like this, and you can do in your notebook. Those who has nice picture is one is parrot, peacock, dog, and butterfly. This one is maybe donkey. So whatever you like from this picture, you can do in your notebook. Use one page to draw this picture. Any one of the picture you can do with your fingerprint. You can do use your color watercolor, and you can do with your page in your EVS notebook. You have to do with this anyone with watercolors, and you can use EVS notebook for one page. Nobody will do half of the page. They can use full page, and they will do with the watercolor and write their name, insect's name. If you are like dog, you can do the dog. If you are like butterfly, you can do the butterfly. If you like peacock, you can do peacock. If you like parrot, you can do parrot. Whatever animals you like, do this animal in your notebook with the watercolors. Next page. Page number 8. Spend some time under a tree. Observe the animal carefully. Name the which can be seen. Okay. You have to spend some time under the tree, and you have to write the same name. Some name of the animals you can see. Okay. On the branches. We can see on the branches. Parrot, crow, monkey. Monkey always we can see on the branches. Crow also we can see. Parrot also. On the leaves, okay, जो leaves पर रहते हैं, पत्ते पर रहते हैं, caterpillar and grasshopper. On the trunk, जो हमारे trees होती है उसकी trunk बनी होती है, उसके ऊपर हमको दिखाई देता है. And squirrel, termite means Those who are eating wood, पूरी लकड़ी को खा जाता है वो टर्मिट. On the ground, rat, snake, rabbit, ग्राउंड के अंदर मिलते हैं वो. Around the trees, ओके, ट्रीज के अराउंड में मिलते हैं हमको. Cow, dog, cat. Now arrange this animal in the order of this size, smallest being the first. Okay, we have to arrange these animals from the small to big, small size to big size. Termite, ant, beetle, caterpillar, grasshopper, rat, parrot, crow, squirrel, snake, rabbit, cat, dog, monkey, cow. This I have arranged from small to big, size small to big. You will write this answer in your textbook. These have blanks in your textbook. You will write this answer in your textbook with the good handwriting. Write down today's date 2/6/2020. And this you will do in your notebook with the watercolor. Use one page and do nicely and send to the madam's phone. Okay, thank you. I hope you have enjoyed.